Again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery in the backyard, and that's the empty dustpan from my last dustpan pour. And I think I'm going to give myself an opportunity to have some some gold in the bottom of that. And I'm going to use a 12-inch by 2-inch by 36-inch canvas behind me, which means I have to be well and truly done with this part of this process to begin with. I'm going to use my Anita's white metallic as a base for the most part. I'm going to grab that purple I didn't find earlier. There we go. I'm going to use all the colors I just used again. Plus, I've got some leftover paint, and I want to put some other paint in there. And I think what I did last time was use the purple flash from Folk-Art, and then some other things. I know that I used this red opal, which is a Folk-Art Treasures. And I may go back around a second time. That's the minty green. That's my turquoise I didn't use last time, but I wish I had. I had a little bit of the blue in here, but I didn't use much of it because it sinks. And I was meaning to add some more, meaning to add some more Floetrol or something to it. See if I could thin it down a little. I did put some orange in. I know I put some red in. I put just about every color in the rainbow in, to tell you the truth. Come on, ouch. Yep, there we go. And I put this Deco-Art Americana berry in. And some 24 karat gold from Deco-Art Americana also. What else, what else, what else? I have some golden magenta that I have iridescent pearl fine mixed into. I know I threw some more white on there. I know I had some dark orange in there. I'm getting too close to my handle. I kind of want some more pink, and I didn't put any in there last time. I need all of these bottles out of my way. Let's have a little bit more of this. Kind of want some more red, and I did just make some. And I think at the very last minute I found my dioxidine purple. Yep, there it is. Move that black out of the way. Hopefully I won't need an edge catcher. More turquoise never hurt anybody, especially not with some of that green that I love next to it. And I finished off, as I recall, putting my favorite purple flash all over. Alright, so give me a moment to find something else I didn't put in that I'm missing. Not really. I'm just going to get my bottles up off of the surface they're on, so that I can put my rather large canvas that's coming our way in a moment. Somewhere it will fit. So I'm going to try and move this, and then I'm going to pour that in there right before, because that's an agitation that I want. Let's take that out of the way. Still got some bottles in my way. Come on, over you go. Okay, so now we are almost ready. I think also, because this is a super long canvas, that I'm going to give myself the pleasure of taking this black and that blue and that purple flash and putting the Anita's white, because that forcefully will allow me to get enough paint in there and agitate things. Now, the last time I started this, I talked about going from the middle, but I can't really do that. I do need to I don't know what I was going to say. It's gone now. I'm thinking I'm going to put some more orange in here. And a few of the other colors that I like. That dioxidine purple, the turquoise, some more white. And it's too big. I need that all to go to the front. Not sure what I'm going to do to this if I'm not in love with it. I see there's something in there I want to get out, I think. Hey, it came out. That's cool. Alright, so what I'm going to do, stuff I don't usually do, is just change it up a little. Where is my 24 karat gold? So I want more orange. I think there's going to be some orange in here. And then I'm going to tip. Although I'd really like all that paint to be available to me. I suppose I could use a Princeton Art Tool Catalyst spatula. They're right over there taunting me. Alright, I'm going to let all that drain. Whoa! That got slippery for a second. And I'm going to let it all go. Actually, you know what? Before I do that, I'm going to finish putting more colors in there. And I'm going to take these... Really? It's got to be like that, does it? Okay. I'm going to tip this and hope that I can do my usual rescue because I'm not as impressed with it as I was with the last one. I'm going to throw that dustpan that I probably shouldn't have reused right in the bucket. And every color that I could possibly grab is up for grabs. I think what I want is some of this even if I think I'm not going to squeeze anymore, it still squeezes out. So I really like this, and I've really got some cool cells at the other end. And I really need an edge catcher, and I didn't think about that. I've got one. I know I do. There we go. I'll just use this short one. I may be doing more to this. So there's one end. It's more or less all right. And all I can think of to do with the other end is to start the tip, see where the flow takes it. Hope it doesn't ruin it. Yeah, I can hear the paint dripping on the floor behind me. I think what I really want is some blue. Where is my... There's the blue I want. That'll fix it. That's cool. What a great idea. Yeah, I've taken to finger painting lately. And you can meld things pretty easily just by using the dull end of your skewer, especially on a canvas that's already dry. That's pretty neat. I kind of want something down here, and I'm thinking if I put it right into my little cup, I might get away with it. We'll see. Just throwing everything in there. I wish I could make sure you can see that, but I can't do what I need to do and that. So maybe just one more, two more. Yeah, you can't trust me. Three more. There we go. I'll let that go down. I'll let this go down. And then bring it back again. Move it all over that way. Everything's moving, but I'm getting some cool cells. This will be accidental art for sure. I'd like to get enough on my edge catcher so I could scoop it up and make an anomalous shape that I need. But I could still do that. If I want to. Just by imitating the colors I've got, I think. And using whatever's left in my cup. I'm not hating that anymore. Not that I was really hating it, I just wasn't in love with it. Wrong bottle. So I like to merge things back where they started from before I got a mess. Tip them. I'm sorry, you can't see all of this. And I'm pretty sure some of it's going to run down my arm at some point. But it's getting cooler and cooler, which is a really good thing because I was a lot worried for a minute. I think some more of this. And here is going to be a good thing. I hope that I'm right. I'm going to use my new little tool just to meld a few things. Not sure what these tools will be very useful for, but they're on my Amazon link below. Show more underneath the video. Looks like they'd be good for moving things out of the way. So that's pretty cool. Not hating on any of that anymore. I do want to use a torch. I'm looking. Do I have everything I want? I don't know. Yeah, I think the only way to find out what these tools are good for is to use them. And they seem to lead things along pretty nicely. That is my Folk-Art neon purple that I'm never sure is going to dry nicely. Or it'll always dry darker. There's just no doubt about that. Rather than swivel this around, I'm going to have to trust my instincts. And as happy as I am with everything else, that negative space is going to stay, I think. I had a moment where I wasn't sure. It really doesn't matter if there's other color paint on my tools. That's actually a good thing. Ooh, that little tool is good for picking up paint off my tile and putting it on my edges. Steal a little paint if I can. Maybe I can't. Let's grab... My gold seems to be far, far away. There it is. I found it. I don't have much green gold in there, but maybe that means I don't need it. I don't actually see any real gold in there like this is. So a little bit of that isn't going to hurt anything. Yeah, I like that. It could even be a little bit more. Right there. Just to move the eye around from one place to the other. And I can definitely go in, pick up a few colors. There, that blends in pretty nicely. Oops, where did that come from? I guess it stays. It is what it is. Sort of matches up with that area pretty well. I wonder if I set my timer. It looks like I didn't. Alright, I love you guys. I'll see you anon because I don't think you're here anymore. Bummer.